birthday ko. Feeling ko nasa birthday ko ako. But before anything, I just want to thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for being a part of this launch. It's been a while since I was back in the Philippines. It's been almost a year. The last time was October last year. And kinakabahan ako kasi I mean, this is very different from what I usually do. I don't think I've actually had a launch like this. So I want to thank Republic Records, UMG, thank you guys so much for making this happen. This is amazing. Sobrang salamat po sa lahat po sa media and press po. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Love these, my friends and family. And of course, my fellow Cornerstone artists are also here at Star Magic. Maraming salamat po. And this next song that I'm going to sing, I would say this is the song that started it all for me, for my music career. And I just wanted to sing it, you know, just to kind of give thanks to this song. I'm sure you guys know this song. So let's all sing together. I want you guys to sing with me. Okay ba yun? Alright.
Congratulations, man. Thank you so much for gracing us with your beautiful performance, your beautiful voice, all the way from the US.
Yes.
Igo, anong pinaka-namimiss mo dito sa Pinas? It's been 8 months.
Honestly, besides all of you guys, besides the people, food. As in, parang nabana ako dito, hindi ako nagbibiro dito. Na-miss ko yung goto, kasi I can eat goto in the States, but it's not the same. I love lugaw. Lugaw is my favorite. Isa sa mga na-miss ko, tosilog. Everyday, as in, hindi ako nagbibiro, everyday ko siyang kinakain. Ever since I arrived, that's my food.
Ano mo, si Inigo, ladies and gentlemen, nandito kami sa backstage, sa dressing room area natin. Tapos, pagdating ko, nakaubad, topless. Tapos, may session pala, magpapatattoo. Nagpapatattoo, makita mo yung tattoo.
Tattoo ko lang dito sa
niya. Sabi ko sa kanya, sa sobrang manhit niya, nagpatattoo siya bago mag-perform.
Sakit eh.
Okay, speaking of which, ano yung favorite song mo dun sa tatlo?
You know, honestly,
personally,
it keeps changing. I thought kahit di mo ko nakikita was my favorite. I feel like that's the most heartfelt song out of the three. Pero ngayon parang every time pina-perform ko yung basta alam kong tayo, parang mas, I don't know, I just feel like that song has become so much, I enjoy performing basta alam kong tayo. Feeling ko yun yung mas nakaka-connect ako sa mga listeners. Kasi I feel, to be honest, I still feel scared performing these type of songs because I'm so used to doing that. You know what I mean? So this is very different from what I do.
Yeah.
And I feel like basta alam kong tayo is the one that kind of sets the middle grounds for me.
And speaking of which, syempre, it's a heartbreak trilogy. And ano naman yung advice mo sa mga nag-move on dyan? Yung mga nag-move on dyan, sumusubok mag-move on.
Wait lang, sino ba dito nag-move on? Turo niya yung kaibigan niya nag-move on. Gusto ko yung may tumas yung kamay doon. Be proud. Hindi, advice ko. Advice ko syempre, to be honest, iba-iba naman tayong lahat. May mga taong walwalang therapy nila. May mga taong talking is their therapy. There's people that music is their therapy. And sometimes in your darkest moments, doon mo mahanap yung mga bagay na hindi mo alam na kaya mo palang gawin. So honestly, try and venture out, do something that you've never done before, so that you forget who you were with that person para mahanap mo yung bagong ikaw. Yung totoong ikaw.
So, eto naman, we've gone through the heartbreak trilogy, we've gone through the Dahil Sa'yos, the Catching Feelings. Kailan naman yung Love Trilogy?
Yun.
Experience pa namin yun.
Abangan natin ang Love Trilogy. It's actually a love album.
Love. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, once again, Inigo Pascual.
Thank you guys.
Palakpakan naman muna natin. With that, let's invite on stage the Republic Records Philippines label manager, Miss Pauline Superate. A few words.
Guys, totoo, super talaga yung pangalan niya. Super!
Anyway, thank you all. Thank you all for being here. Just wanted to, in behalf of UMG Philippines, in behalf of Cornerstone also, just want to say congratulations to Inigo on the release of his Heartbreak Trilogy. Actually, for everyone here, this trilogy has been a long time coming. Last year pa kami nag-shoot, last year pa also natapos lahat ng recordings, lahat ng music videos, visualizers, and all of that. And it's been a journey. Umalis din si Inigo, he went to the States, and it's been really a long time coming, and we're excited for everyone to finally hear it in all of its glory. So, everyone stream the Heartbreak Trilogy. Yes, now on Spotify. More to come for Inigo also. We're very happy to have you back here. So, congratulations,
Thank you.
and everyone have a great rest of the night.
Let's party!
Thank you so much, Miss Pauline Superable. Last na, your parting words, Inigo.
First I want to say, salamat sa inyo lahat. Salamat sa lahat na nagpunta ngayong gabi. For, taking the time to be here tonight. Means a lot to me. And I know a lot of you are busy. Sa lahat ng mga nagbihis na runaway bride, maraming salamat sa inyo! You guys never fail to amaze me. And I hope that, no matter how long I take to put out songs, I know it's been a long time coming, but I hope that you guys will forever listen to my music. And sana sa mga kaibigan nyo, pamilya nyo na kailangan marinig itong mga kantang to, sana i-share nyo po. And please do stream my Heartbreak Trilogy. I see so many familiar faces. I just want to hug you guys already. But I just want to say thank you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you.
Thank you everyone, ladies and gentlemen, for Cornerstone, Star Magic, Republic Records, for Friends with the